Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to go into the recovery mode on HP ProBook 635. So you probably want to go into recovery mode because something broke on your PC. Remember that going into the recovery mode is easy, but getting out of it may be tricky. You will need a recovery key from your account, from your Microsoft account. So you would need another device with your Microsoft account logged into. Then just restart the computer, and when you're restarting it, start to spam F11 key, focus. F11, it may take a while. And now you're in the recovery mode. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.